How to do wrap 6 stitches. We'll be working with 6 stitches, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So knit 2 stitches, purl 2 stitches, knit 2, slip the last 6 stitches worked onto the cable needle, and wrap the yarn 4 times around these 6 stitches counterclockwise. So we'll be going counterclockwise. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And then we're going to slip these stitches back onto the right needle. So just slip it back onto the needle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. If you like this video, please like and subscribe, and we have a lot more video tutorials for you on Loopy Mango YouTube channel.